Welcome to the next video. Today is a brief review and note about the new AC Unity Glock compatible 9mm magazines. They're available in multiple locations, and per YouTube rule I cannot mention or provide a link to the store, but you can find them anywhere you want. They have different size magazines from 30 rounds, 17, 15. I don't have 15 rounds. 15 round magazines here. Just didn't buy them. Let's talk about their compatibility with the Glock pistols. On the table you can see 3 Glock handguns. All have been safety checked, and it doesn't hurt to check anyway. All chambers empty, no live ammunition anywhere nearby. Here's a Glock 34 Gen 3, Glock 19 Gen 3, and Glock 17 Gen 4. I don't have any Gen 5 Glocks at this time. And here I have 3 Glock compatible magazines from AC Unity, 2 17 rounders and 1 30, as I said before. On my Glocks, as you can see, I have the MagPul MagWell extension, or whatever you want to call it. Glockwell, MagWell. It makes it easier to insert magazines. As you can see, Glock 17 rounders and MagPul 17 rounders fit just fine, and you could hear the click of the magazine sitting and being ready. See, this works if you apply pressure on Gen 4 magazine, MagWell Gen 4 Glock. Sits just fine. Here is a Gen 3. See this? On a Gen 3 it does not get deep enough with the MagPul MagWell enhancement. It just doesn't get there. Just to show in comparison, see, here is the MagPul magazine. Here's the Glock magazine. I think the bottom of the AC Unity magazines is not compatible with the MagPul accessory installed here. On Gen 3 pistol. On Gen 4 again, kind of gets there, not as positive. And you have to work for it. You can hear, see, it came in. So on Gen 4 it will work just fine with that same MagWell. On Gen 3, even with me applying the pressure, it is not a positive click. It kind of gets there. Now, Gen 3 without the MagWell. Admittedly also a shorter grip. This is a Glock 19. Hear that? See that? Works just fine. So, if you have any kind of MagWell, especially the MagPul one, on your Gen 3 Glock, 17 round magazines from AC Unity might give you issues. If you have a Gen 4 Glock, in this case 17, as you can see in Gen 4, it will work. You do need to apply the pressure a little bit more than expected, but it will work. And of course, It's nice to have the windows and everything. 30 round magazines from AC Unity. Not an issue at all. You have your positive release. It stays there forever, and it makes it a viable magazine for whatever it is you need to do with them. Admittedly, they're completely polymer, nothing metal, but still, at this price, windowed black magazine with a complete count of the rounds is a very viable purchase from my personal perspective. Hope this helps. They do have a Glock 19 magazines, 15 rounders. I didn't buy them, don't need them. Are they better than MagPul Mags? Probably not. But if you want to know exactly how many rounds you have in a magazine, it is a little bit easier than knowing whether it's full or not. To each their own. I am going to have them just in this number. I might buy a few more 30 rounders for the AR-9 pistols, but not for these guys. Even though this makes a very viable home defense or shotgun with a 30 round mag, but it doesn't have to be a AC Unity mag. Still, here's your home defense configuration for your nightstand gun. That's all. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. Well, I'm not going to be able to take them to the range due to the lack of ammo, but life is life. Hopefully that goes away soon. And keep practicing to be practical.